Hello, I'm Brandon Grant, Marketing Director here at QuoteWerks. In this video, we're going to demonstrate how you can use QuoteValet Mobile. QuoteValet Mobile is a template-driven mobile quoting solution that is included in your QuoteValet subscription at no additional charge. It is best utilized on an iPad or tablet, and it makes it very easy to create quotes while outside of the office. Since QuoteValet Mobile is template-driven, users can create multiple templates for products and services before heading to a customer site. This enables a quick way to build a customized quote for a client with just a few selections. We'll first walk through the features and how to use QuoteValet Mobile, and then we'll show you how easy it is to set up. So let's get started. To access QuoteValet Mobile, you can type in quotevalet.com/mobile into your web browser, or if you are already logged into QuoteValet Insight, click on the Mobile menu option. The login screen for QuoteValet Mobile will open, and you simply need to supply your tenant account number for QuoteValet and your QuoteWerks username and password to log in. Once logged in, you'll see a grayed out QuoteValet Mobile webpage. This is because QuoteValet Mobile is template driven, so we'll need to select a template to get started. To do this, click on the New button in the top left window, and you'll see a list of available QuoteValet Mobile templates. In my example, I will select Gold Renewal Package. This will load this template with all of my products and services in this template, and I am now free to make changes. At the top of the workbook is where the customer's contact information can be added. You can type in this information manually, such as an email address. In this example, I'll use my email address of brandon@quoteworks.com, and it will autofill in the contact name and company name. I can then make some quick adjustments and also add a phone number. To include more contact information, click on the More button. This will allow you to add the full address, as well as introduction notes, and the ability to change the document name. Because we started from a template, the default document name will be the name of the template, but we can change it here if we would like. Additionally, if you'd like to change the sales rep or add any internal notes, we can do that here as well. For AutoTask or ConnectWise users, you will see a Select Contact button in the top left, which will enable us to pull contacts directly from those PSA systems into QuoteWerks. You can also access the contact selection window by clicking on the Contacts button at the bottom of your browser window. Once you've finished adding the contact to your quote, you can start making adjustments to it. The Calculate button will let you turn off the auto calculation. This is very useful if you're going to be making quantity changes to the line items all at once. In this case, it'll let you change all of these items' quantities without having to load each time the new total is calculated. Once you are done, simply turn this option back on, and QuoteValet Mobile will recalculate the total in the document for you. The Delete Mode option will let you delete items from the quote. Since we're using a template, many times items may need to be removed that were on this document by default. Here, you simply switch it on, and then you'll be able to remove any items that you do not wish to quote. Simply switch it back to exit out of the delete mode. The New Item option will let you add items on the fly, just like you can in QuoteWerks. If we click this, this will let you add a description, set a part number, set the quantity, add the unit price, and even set the tax code. Simply click Add Item once you've finished. Now, if your item already exists in an existing QuoteValet Mobile template, you can use the Lookup Item feature to pull items from one of these templates. If we click on this, you'll see a list of all your available QuoteValet Mobile templates. Simply click on one of the templates, and you can see a list of the items that already exist here. I can select single or multiple items to add to my current quote in QuoteValet Mobile. And I can repeat this step as often as necessary. Once finished, I'll simply return back to the quote workbook. Back on the quote workbook, you can continue to make changes to your items as needed. Using the increase and decrease buttons will add or deduct the quantity of the item. If you click on the More arrow here, this will let you adjust the item's description or type in a quantity. Finally, Once all the items have been customized, you can submit the document to your client by clicking the Submit button at the top right of your browser window. This will email the document as if you had just sent it via QuoteValet from your QuoteWerks installation. At the bottom of the QuoteValet Mobile window, you'll see a Documents icon is available. If we click on this icon, this will show you a list of quotes that have been delivered via QuoteValet today, yesterday, this week, or last week. Next to each document are two view modes, Sales Rep and Customer. If you click on the Customer view mode, QuoteValet will open the customer-facing page. This is the same as if the customer clicked on the link from their email. Using this view mode, you could potentially give the customer the ability to accept and sign right in front of you after you have created the quote for them, making it a quick close for you. So if you're utilizing a tablet or an iPad, this gives you the great opportunity to close the sale. After a document has been submitted to QuoteValet from QuoteValet Mobile, you're also able to import that document into QuoteWerks via your QuoteValet dashboard. So if we go into our QuoteWerks installation here and you click on the dashboard icon, you'll see a new notification for the user who was set as the sales rep and an option to import this quote into QuoteWerks. Once imported, you will then simply treat this as a regular QuoteWerks document where you can make any changes and update your CRM or PSA system if you're integrated to create this opportunity as well. Okay, so now that we have walked through the features of QuoteValet Mobile, let's show you how easy it is to set up a new template for QuoteValet Mobile. First, you'll need to have a document ready in QuoteWerks. I have an example here. And to save this as a template, simply click on File, Save as Template. You'll need to provide the template with a name, which I'll add, and then simply check the box that says Save Template as QuoteValet Mobile Template. Once you have completed both of these steps, click OK, and QuoteWerks will now upload this template to QuoteValet Mobile. A helpful tip for using QuoteValet Mobile would be to create multiple templates, specifically maybe one for services and one for products. If you sell a lot of products, possibly dividing those products into multiple templates with a specific name so it's easier to pull items from that template and just maybe having one template with your services listed if you only sell a few services. QuoteValet Mobile is a great tool to utilize for quotes while out on the road. Using templates will reduce the amount of time you're quoting and provides for an easy way to create quotes on the go. By taking a few minutes to organize your items in various templates, you can save a lot of time and really take advantage of the features available in QuoteValet Mobile. Thanks for watching.